Yo, hello. Hello, SolarLune here. Hi. It's been a little while since the last stream. I've been kind of busy over the past couple weeks, but we're back. Yeah, we're here and we're working on some more stuff. MasterPlan specifically is what I'm going to be working on, but I wanted to show what I've done with this adventure game since last time. Um, I think last time I was basically doing stuff with the audio engine, which is Sunvox, basically the Sunvox tracker software. It's the library used from that. Um, working with that using PureGo, which basically means that I can call functions in that library without having to use CGo with Go, which is very nice. But the last time I was working with that, it was kind of slow. So I was trying to use Go routines to basically kind of like defer calls to the slow functions, which were like play or play from beginning or stop. So those functions that basically influence playback were slow. So I was using Go routines for that, but that was kind of problematic because if you basically have a Go routine that starts playback and takes 48 milliseconds, then in that 48 millisecond second window, 48 millisecond window, it's possible for another Go routine to perhaps call stop or something like that, which causes a crash. So what I was trying to do was like engineer some other solution. And after trying different things, I just went back to the drawing board, kind of just starting from scratch, and I found out that it actually is slow only if the audio engine is running. So basically, if I just stop the audio engine and then run the function that I want to run, like playing a song from the beginning or stopping it or whatever, seeking, then it's much faster. It's like 1,000 times faster, which makes sense, but it's still a great gain. So you can actually see this here. Okay, so you can see that I'm timing these functions to like set a custom range for looping or playing a song from the beginning. So for example, if we just time playing the song from the beginning, we see it's 66 microseconds. But if we don't pause the audio engine and just play it from the beginning normally, it's 70 milliseconds. So that's it's a lot faster to pause it first. That is, yeah, that's 1,000 times faster because instead of 660 microseconds, instead of 6.6 milliseconds, it's basically 66 milliseconds. So this is a much faster method to do this. You could call this 300 times, 400 times without actually being able to discern it slowing down your game, which is very good. Because otherwise, with the time of 70 milliseconds, that means that every time you play any kind of sound or song, it stutters. And you can see that actually here, if we leave this off and also this off, and then we go over here to the game and walk around. You can see how it stutters. Yeah, it stutters. It stutters pretty hard. And you can actually see that even more directly if we go to here. If we just say that. Oh, I'm sorry. And this is supposed to be larger text for people who want to read what I'm doing. So yeah, you can see it's upwards of 100 milliseconds. That's a tenth of a second. At 60 FPS, that's like I'm like, my brain's like bzzz. It's like 7 frames at 60 FPS, which is a noticeable stutter. Yeah. So we definitely want to pause and resume the audio engine like that if at all possible. Like even this isn't like perfect. You can see it's 10 milliseconds, 8 milliseconds, 177 microseconds, 134 microseconds. So much better, but still not perfect. And it might be because, yeah, this might be part of it. Like this might be good to do paused. Is that looping? What else? Playing from beginning, yeah. Set custom loop. Okay, we do that. Also this. Okay, yeah. Let's see if that makes a difference. Not perfect. 4 milliseconds. That has something to do with it. Nah, that's so slow. Let's see. Let's try some stuff. We want this to be bigger, and we want this to be bigger. There we go. Yeah, we want to. Well, I guess I can make it even a little bit bigger. Yeah, we want to try some things to excuse me, determine what might be the cause of this, because if we can make it faster, we definitely do want to. So excuse me, maybe actually it might be finding the pattern by name. Okay, no, that's not too slow. Is it setting the custom loop point? Yeah, that's basically it. So is it getting the X and Y? Is that what the issue is? Excuse me. Okay, no. So it is just setting the custom loop point. Because this isn't bad, but we definitely can want it to be as low as possible, as small as possible of a time frame. Maybe getting the line count moving. Line count. I don't think this will make too much of a difference, but let's see. Oops. Seems like it got a little bit shorter, which is good. So it might also be, let's see, it gets the X and Y, I guess the X rather. I made it slower. But it might be worth it. Well, because we're already. We're already pausing and resuming it. So I guess what we can do is if the start x is equal to s dot custom loop start and the end x is equal to x dot custom loop end, then we can just return so we don't have to actually change it. Yeah, that's much better. We only need to reset it if the start and end are not. Well, actually, you probably don't even need to reset it. Well, yeah, I guess we do. Well, we don't probably. I mean, yeah, I guess we don't have to. Well, yeah, we don't have to reset it. We probably can just go like this and then say x, some loopless x instead of x. Excuse me. Like that, and then yeah, custom loopless. Well, I guess no, that should still be x, I guess. Well, no, because we. Let's see. I think we could do something like that. If x is greater than the custom loop line amount, or I guess like custom loop line amount is something like this might kind of work. All right, that works, I think. If it's greater than 100,000, we move it left. Otherwise, we're fine. Let's see. Well, no, we need to. Yeah, let's just reset the custom loop. But now why is this such a high cost? Why is it higher for that? Why is it high? Sometimes it's high and sometimes it's not. Reset custom loop. Well, this isn't really what I was trying to work on today, but 8 milliseconds. What could be taking time like that? Oh, could it be? Hold on. It might be this. I don't think so, but let's see. No, there's still some situations where the milliseconds is high, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, I guess I'll just leave this for another time. I don't know. It's definitely like leaps and bounds better, but it's still not like perfect, and I'm not sure why that might be the case. I might need to. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I wonder if it's better to pause. Let me try something real quick. I want to see if it's better to, instead of doing this, is it better to do that? No, definitively not. Okay. Yeah, this is much better. Okay. Well. I'm not sure. So I mean, like, we could wrap everything in pausing and resuming of the audio engine. It probably would be better if we like wrapped. Like, I guess we would need internal versions of the function that don't have this, so that we could avoid calling this as much as possible. Because we don't. I mean, this still is a function call. We want to avoid calling it if it's not necessary. And if we have an internal version of the function, then we can basically call that only when we need to. So we have the internal version for things like for the internal version of set x and y, for example, for things like and I guess the internal version of move for things like setting the custom loop like this, where we don't need to constantly call like pause and resume for the audio engine. We can just call pause and resume in the custom loop and then go from there. So that's probably what we'll do. That probably would help, unless we wanted to set a global variable that basically like enables pausing and resuming of the audio engine, and then we just wrap it here. So we say like, audio engine pausable equals false, audio engine pausable equals true. That way we can kind of like control whether what they do when used internally. That's like kind of magic and not like, that's not really the best solution, but it is a solution. I don't want to do it here. I want to do it in here. So we could just do something like that, and then we go to set loop, excuse me, custom loop, and then we can just say s dot set audio false. Yeah, 9 milliseconds. Why the 9 milliseconds? What is taking so long here? Audio engine pausable. Okay. I want to confirm. No, it's not something else. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to the main function in the example. I'm just going to time basically calling and play from beginning constantly. And we're going to see what happens. I'm also going to set, well, the volume to 0 so we don't hear it. Hmm. One millisecond here. So sometimes it's more milliseconds and sometimes it's not, and I don't know why. Hmm. How intriguing. Hmm. It might be a mixing thing. Like it might be dependent on the driver I'm using, the audio driver, all that kind of stuff. Maybe it's like, yeah, got to go do with go routines and stuff like that. So it might just be dependent on the options used to initialize the audio. Rectified error. Let's try with normal. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to do with Pipewire. Yeah, these definitely feel. Well, maybe not. Let's see. Well, anyway, it's something to think about. I gotta keep trying. All right, now let's get back to master plan. And while that's starting up, let's get some music. Had a couple ideas for things to add. Let's see, where is it? So low. Let's see. So something that would be nice is if there was like a task type that allowed you to specify a time. So you could create basically like a schedule for yourself, and then it would like make noise or flash or something as you went from phase to phase. I think that would be cool. It also would be nice to have nodes for flow charting, so you could have like question mark nodes or exclamation point nodes or whatever, the standard like flow chart symbols, maybe something kind of equivalent to that. The ability to create new pages from the pages view, that would be good. And then also the ability to pack relevant files into a single plan. That would be nice. Counter says lurking while I work on some stuff. Fantastic. Yeah, thanks for showing up. Let me restart this just in case. I think it's compiling after updating Go. So yeah, the clock type task. The idea is that basically you have a task like this where it's like create sprites for game. Program movement, player movement, something like that, right? Like that is the way that tasks currently work, where you have a list of tasks. But it would be nice if you could say like 7 a.m. Do spriting, 8 a.m. do programming, 9:15 a.m. 9:30 a.m. done for the day, or whatever. So like that kind of a thing, where basically you have, it's like a kind of like deadlines, but more easy to set because they're not supposed to be used for different days. They're supposed to be used for something you do every day. And then you can like engage with the clock or something, and then it'll slide down as the icon will change or something. That's an idea. I'm just gonna be sitting here. I might as well just make something, I guess. I don't know. Oh, oh, I am. Okay. Okay, I guess what I can do is do this. Alright, well, I'm doing this now. Hold on. my mind is activated. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Does this work? Cool. And then I can go vol. A crash, really? Hmm? Huh. Okay, what if it's like super low? Then it works, huh? That's strange. Alright, I'll have to figure out what that's about. This is strange. Hold on. Why does module by name BGM volume? Oh, does it like stop or unload if, or does stop, doesn't it? If, okay. Well, that's fine for now. Cool. Cool, that works. All right, so let's take a look at MasterPlan and get that music going. Okay. So yeah, it would be cool if you could go and create a timer. And I'm thinking switch the mode here to be like a time. And then you can say like, oh, do homework. How do you get a lot of settings? Shift C. Yeah. And then like maybe this icon lights up or something when it's after the time. Also, I guess the trigger would disappear. Well, no, the trigger could. We'll see about that. But anyway, the idea is that I don't know why the trigger is here. I gotta like, what's the word? Condense my design language, because some things are like this, like some things are here and then some things are not, like with the map. Although the map, it has to not be there because the entire card is here, unless you wanted to like resize, makes the settings larger at the bottom or something. Well, let's not get too caught up on how things should be and just focus on making them work better. Wait, that's weird. How did I do that? That's weird. There was a bug where this wasn't showing up. Odd, and I don't know why. Let's see. Do I want to commit all these changes? Not really. Let me take a look at icons. These are kind of already those kinds of things. They don't really stretch that well. see. What am I looking for here? Right. Let's see how this goes. It's a float, not an integer. How is it not in? How is it? Hold on. How's the property? What prop? What property is? Like what did I do to make this not work anymore? Trigger mode. Let's see. Oh, this is why. I was like, why is this not working the way I thought it should? Okay, that should help out. where did I print something out? It's here. Okay, oops. Flashbang. Let's see. Okay, so this is the kind of concept that I'm working with here. Okay, let's see how this works. Right. Brother. Oh, I see. Right. Let's see. Ah, that's why I did it the way I did. Okay. Okay, let's see time schedule. Oh, that's why. So that's good. Yeah, that's what I'm missing. So this would be power. Okay, so it comes 8:30, 10, 20, 5:50 a.m., 17:55 p.m. Okay. Alright. Cool. Let's see. Let's see, how did I make this work? Where it goes to the next thing on the list. Cool. So this is the idea, where basically this allows you to see like, oh, you know, what do I have to do? Where am I right now? So now I just need to make it so that the colors, the card lights up when you're in that time. So for example, right now I would be in the program phase, but I could add another card that is, let's say, 1845, and that would be like the next thing, right? In stream, we'll say. So let me save this. So yeah, like how do we know like where we are in the time stream, so to speak? How do we know? Excuse me. Okay. And I guess what more critically, you might have multiple things, right? Like you might have a list of things that you need to do in a day, and then you might have another list of maybe like you might have multiple lists. Like you might have this list of things that you want to do, and you might have a list of, I don't know, events that are happening, right? Or it's like, oh, I want, this is happening at 12, this is happening at 3:30, whatever. So like what we want to do is basically know where we are in the list specifically. Like basically we want to know not just are you past the current item, but more specifically, is there an item that's later than me that's also past it? So that's what we'll be doing next. Okay. What do I call it? Not neighbors. What's the card next to you? Stack. Also, before I forget, I forgot. The issue that I was just gonna say, there's a problem. It's I forgot. Oh, collapse. There we go. That's the general idea. So I think what we can now do is just say basically terrorism is just a crazy thing to report a chat message for. That's just wild, man. Terrorism is crazy. All right. If mode group is okay. So mode group. Alright, we can try something like this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly correct. So basically it's like, oh, I'm in programming mode until the stream ends. We also only need to check this every minute, so we don't have to check this constantly. Nanoseconds, microseconds. 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5. Okay, so this adds up to. Well, I don't know if it ever adds up to milliseconds, but it definitely does add up. Although we're printing it too, that eats up time. Let's see, client page. Let's see. Okay, so that does work. Wait. What's the ideal size? Because we do use that ideal size. Oh, because the text box expands. That's the problem. Well, that's something for another time, I guess. Okay. The Dock of Peppers says hello. Hello. Let's see. Okay. So I'm thinking you might need a sound for this. No way to find stuff, is there? No way to find the stuff I'm looking for. Okay. Give me a second. I have to navigate my sample library. Oops. $60. That's a little crazy, but yeah, let's go for it. MIDI, OG, FLAC, and WAVE. Oh, cool. Wait. Okay. Let's see. All right. So the idea here. Let's do something like this. Dr. Pepper says Sunbox. Yeah. Yeah, I've been kind of getting into Sunbox more. I'm just waiting for it to turn 7:10 p.m. Yeah, so that's the idea. So basically, you can set up a schedule and it'll play a little sound when it goes to another phase. So it's like, oh, it went from wake up like it makes you aware, like, oh, you're supposed to be programming or something like that. Also, don't I have notification system? I have some kind of notification. Yeah, okay, cool. So if we're not looking at anything, okay, all right. Let's see. Let's do that. Clock S. That's a little crazy. Yeah, that might be a little too much. Yeah, clock in stream became active. Okay, so that lets you know, like, oh, your schedule is your schedule's up. That's fine, I think. All right. Well, that's it for today. I'm going to call it there. Um, yeah, managed to get a pretty good amount of stuff done. I mean, well, only really one thing, but this is a cool feature, and is something that I, I, something I wanted to add, because I feel like I struggle with scheduling, and this I think could help. Not every day is going to be the same, of course, and I need to make a means. I don't know why I said it like that. I need to make a means to like cancel a block of clocks, so you can be like, oh yeah, no, we're not going to do that today or whatever, or enable it if you're on Mondays or whatever. I mean, there's problems. There's definitely things that like this isn't a dedicated scheduling like app. Like it's not going to replace anything that you use for scheduling, but it is nice to have it in master plan, so you can be like, oh well, what am I supposed to do today? How is it supposed to work? So I need some means of like enabling and disabling it. I guess I could do it like this, where you just like have a checkbox. That seems doable, actually. Let's do that. if the checkbox yeah. Cool. So this is a way to do it. I think. Let me see. Hmm. Wait, dependent cards. I parent of. So numbered contents don't have this concept, huh? Parent of. Hmm. Yeah, you don't have children. Let's try this one. For each in head. Okay, cool. So let's try that. Because multi checkbox, dependent cards. Ah, I see. That's how I had it right. Well, because if you do like this and you go like that, then you can't check this anymore. Right, right, right. So if you have a timer, let me see. Because if you have a clock like that, you could do something like this. But the issue is that if you have a card like that, now you can't trigger this. So does this become the next one? I'm not sure if I want to have a button to trigger. I mean, because then how do you control? Hmm. Well, I think I might be on that. This might be fine to do, even though this doesn't. It kind of breaks the systems involved. It kind of works. Let's see if parent. All right, let's try that. Oh, because it's not numberable. That's why. So there's no number. Okay. We'll just do it like that. In which case, we can just look at completion is greater than 0, I guess. All right, so I think this is generally an idea. So you can just be like, oh, well, this is going to be Monday. And when it's on, then these are on. But when it's off, then these are off. Yeah. Cool. All right. That's the idea. So this kind of works. It's a cool little feature. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it could definitely be better, but yeah, not bad. All right, well, I'm gonna stop it there, and I'll see if I can pick it up Wednesday with more stuff. Maybe work on the web card a little bit more, and that might be it. Like, finish it up, and that might be the next update. Maybe there's still some things I need to do. Somebody suggested packing relevant files into the plan file. So basically, you can just like distribute a single file. That would be cool. Um, Someone else said like packing the file into the executable so that it's editable. I'm not sure about that. That feels like a lot of work to like engineer a kind of like new, not a lot of work, but that's just, well, I have to look into it some more. Look into that suggestion to see exactly what that person suggested. But so far, it's doing. I'm doing okay. Doing all right. Well, thank you very much for watching. I've been SolarLune. I'll catch you guys on the flip side next time. And thanks for coming through. If you want to support development, please check out MasterPlan on itch or Steam, and check out Tetra 3D on GitHub.com/SolarLune/Tetra 3D. Alrighty, thanks for watching. See ya.